Hey there, I'm Megan Heise, and I will be facilitating Collective Aporia's July workshop, Leave Signs, Poetic Curation and Archive. The title of this workshop takes its name from Cheryl Clark's poem, Living as a Lesbian Underground, a Futuristic Fantasy, in which she writes, leave signs of struggle, leave signs of triumph, and leave signs. In this workshop, we will consider the signs we leave of ourselves through creative work, as well as the responsibilities we have when we work with the signs others have left of themselves through our work with archive and remix. We will consider time and temporality. What does it mean to work with archival materials from the past, in our present moment, curating and reworking them for future audiences? What draws us to the archival materials we choose to work with, and how we choose to work with them? What does it mean to rework our own personal archives and to engage creatively with others who may be living or long gone? All mediums, forms, and ways of expression are welcome here. I use the term poetic in the title very broadly to capture any creative expression from writing to art to baking. Whatever your experience is in your medium or mediums, you are welcome to join this class. You can come with a project in mind or see what comes up through our journey together. When you're ready to sign up, go to Collective Aporia's website. The link's right here. I cannot wait to see you in July. Thank you so much and see you soon.
Until what's beneath our feet.